As you can imagine, though, Democrats are not fans of the big, beautiful bill, and they're ready to roast it with some slam poetry.
It is not one big, beautiful bill. It's a big billionaire's bankroll bill.
It's a big, disgraceful betrayal of the American people.
This bill is brutal. It is not beautiful.
I just don't see what Republicans find beautiful about this ugly bill.
It's not beautiful, it's ugly.
It has wrinkles, warts, festering sores, and scars.
Okay, we get it, but that's a little too specific. It sounds like you're describing something personal. This bill is gross and weird and has a mole with hair growing out of it and it's changing color. I'm talking about the bill. But should it see a doctor? Should it see a doctor, just hypothetically speaking?